Hello, welcome to the DragGAN AI. DragGAN allows users to manipulate images in seconds with just a click and drag. This AI editing tool that leverages a pre-trained GAN to synthesize ideas that precisely follow user input while remaining on the manifold of realistic images. DragGAN is an interactive approach for intuitive point-based image editing, far more powerful than Photoshop's warp tool. Unlike Photoshop, which merely smushes pixels around, DragGAN uses AI to regenerate the underlying object. With DragGAN, users can rotate images as if they were 3D, change the dimensions of cars, manipulate smiles into frowns, and adjust reflections on lakes. Moreover, they can change the direction someone faces. This new technique shows that GAN models are more impactful than pretty pictures generated from diffusion models, such as those used in tools like DALL-E 2, Stable Diffusion, and Midjourney.